Buddy, my name is Brijesh Maurya. I know you are thinking always why I am keep coming here to suit myself. Because bro, I have one reason. If you are the most educated person in your hometown and you are not earning something, so that time society will always think about you. You are the useless person in our society. So yeah, I am something like that. But bro, I am trying to earn something. That's why I had purchased a course from PW Skills Data Analytics, and right now I'm building my command and building my projects on it. And bro, believe me, without job, you are the useless person according to the society, because they always think about you. What's benefit? I Do you have knowledge? Do you have education? If you are not earning something, so I am the something like that person. And you know if you are the living in your hometown and you are the most educated person and you are not a job, you are not getting a earn money, and you don't have a job, so that time they always the society always talk about you. The He is the person who has lost a lot of money by their parents to spend in their education, but he is a useless person. What's the benefit that they had did? But bro, I was no at that time. Then the people was thinking about me. That time I decided no matter what will happen, I will add everything that will make me a job ready candidate. That's why I tried multiple things, but I couldn't get success. So I am not demotivated, but I just want to tell you what's the reason the people think about it the negative way. So yeah, I am the Virjesh Prasad Maurya, and I know I will be do something unique in my hometown. And if you are the villager person, you don't have the reference to get any good job, because in your village the people are always doing such kind of job like painter, carpenter, and some company work. But I don't want to do this kind of job. I want to do some unique things. This is the reason I'm taking too much time for getting success. But bro, if you are the only one person in your hometown who is trying to do some unique things, then the society's people always thinking about you the negative way. So this is the main reason I feel sometimes demotivated, because no one I have who can guide me. You should do this action, you should do this kind of thing that will make you the more valuable person. So I feel too much demotivated. Yesterday, someone was talk about me. He has done MSc, but he's a jobless person right now. So that time I feel too much awkward. But at that moment, I didn't have anything that I can say. But I believe on myself, and I believe my strength. I believe my positive mindset. I could be a get good result after some time, because I am working on it. If you are trying to learn something and you have the lot of pressure by the family, because bro, my family is not too much mm, wealthy, so I have some problem. This is the reason I'm not focusing whole time on my education. I am working in a dental clinic right now for my financial support, because I cannot ask for money for anything with my parents, because they are not a good condition. They can give me some money for doing some new things. So this is the reason I have to do as well as those things comparatively. And I know if I will do, I will get success at that time. The people, the society will change their mindset. They will talk about me at that time. Yeah, I know he can be do this kind of things. He was doing too much hard work. But right now I don't have a job. They always thinking the people he is a not good person for our village, because some students are demoting after seeing me, because I have done my MSc in chemistry. Right now I don't have a job. So the people's mentality, what's the benefit if I will teach my children's like that? So if after that time they don't have job. So this is the reason the people are going the outside for earning money, but I am living in my hometown with my alone, and I am daily fighting with my stress, with my demotivated. But I know I have a good mindset. I have a positive mindset, and I am keep adding every day something new in my skills like a data analyst, but everything is useless until I get a job. So if you are something like this feeling in your home, in your village, the people are talking about you, the society always judge you, your capability. You know, the your ability, what you can do. But the society will always think about you. If you are earning some money, if you are get a job, then you are the right person for the village. If you are not a job, if you are not earning something, the useless person of the society. So yeah, I am feeling something like that, and I am shooting my video every day because I don't want to grow my YouTube channel. I just want to enhance my communication skill in English because after some time I have to go for the interview. At that time I have to give any answer in English language. So this is the reason I am trying to build command in English language. You know, if you are if you are getting a job in IT sector, that is the first requirement of the every IT sector. You have to you have to good command in English language. So yeah, if you are trying to learn something, and I will definitely, I am just seeing in my videos, no one is telling me anything, any suggestion. I don't know why, because bro, I feel demotivated right now. But what I can do right now? So yeah, this is my whole story, and I will update it to you as well as I am doing something. And trust me, guys, if you are sometime feel like demotivated, at that moment you have to take a good action that will make you the motivated person. So you have to find the way. My way, I if I feel demotivated, then I shoot myself and watch myself. If I can speak English, so I can do anything. Because bro, if you are completed your whole education in Hindi language and you are trying to learn English, if you are able to learn and after some time you will be able to speak English, so at that time you feel motivated person. If you can learn the English language, so at that time you will feel like I can learn anything. So I have this type of mindset and I am working on it. And yeah, I would like to end my video at that moment, and I have some work. So yeah, bye bye. I'll upload next video tomorrow. So watch myself, and if you are learning something from my video, so please leave a comment in the comment section. It doesn't matter you are suggesting me something, you are asking me something. Please leave a comment. I will definitely reply, and I will make a dedicated video on that topic. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.